Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Class 5th. Today we are going to complete our chapter number 5, that is about distance, time and temperature. In our previous lectures we have learnt about the distance, how to convert meters into kilometers, how to convert centimeters or all. And on the next exercises we learnt how to convert time into minutes, seconds and hours, months and years, and how to convert them back into the time, months and years. And today we will learn about the temperature. As you know that there are two scales about which we have learned. The one is Fahrenheit and the second scale is degree Celsius scale. You can see in this picture that this is the diagram of a thermometer. It is used for measuring the temperature. So in the thermometer you can see here is a narrow tube. In this tube you can see the mercury, which on increasing the temperature gets higher and higher on the scale, and when the temperature is low, so then it comes back to its origin. So temperature is measured on a range between two reference points: the melting point of ice, it is also known as the freezing point of water, and the boiling point of water. And two different temperature scales are common use today. They are the Fahrenheit, as you can pronounce it like this, Fahrenheit, and this is named after a German scientist, G. Fahrenheit. So at which base its name is German scientist, that is G. Fahrenheit, and it has the melting point of ice, that is 32 degrees. The melting point of ice on Fahrenheit is 32 degrees. You have to remember these words very carefully like this. And the boiling point of water at 212 degrees. According to the Fahrenheit temperature, the boiling point of water is 212 degree Fahrenheit, and the melting point of ice is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. And after that, the Celsius scale, this gets its name from Celsius, a Swedish astronomer who gave it this scale a name, a Swedish astronomer. It has two reference points also, 0 degree centigrade and the 100 degree centigrade, and it is very easy to measure today. It is also used in Pakistan and international scale. So you can see where it on Celsius scale 32 degree is the melting point of ice, but on the on Fahrenheit scale it is 32 degree Fahrenheit the melting point of ice, but on the Celsius scale it is on 0 degree centigrade. And the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius on Celsius scale, but on Fahrenheit scale it is at the point 212. Will it work? Will it be remembered? Now come, how to convert Fahrenheit scale to Celsius scale. When we have to convert Fahrenheit scale to Celsius scale, so you have to remember the formula. You have to, for the conversion of Fahrenheit to Celsius, first you have to subtract the value 32, and then you have to multiply it by 5 by 9. First we will multiply 32 from the given value, and then we will multiply it by 5 by 9 like this. If you want to convert 59 degree Fahrenheit to Celsius, then what will you do? 59 minus 32. First we will subtract it, then we after getting the answer we will multiply it by 5 by 9. Then the procedure of cancellation and the final answer. And if you want to convert Celsius scale to Fahrenheit scale, how to convert that? To convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, first we will multiply it by 9 divided by 5 for Fahrenheit, we will divide it by 9 by 5, multiply it by 9/5, and then we will add 32. If here for the memorization, you can see if here is C, then we will subtract. If here is F, then we will add 32. For example, if you want to convert 30 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit, if you want to convert it into Fahrenheit, first you will write the formula of Fahrenheit, that is degrees Celsius multiply by 9/5, and then we'll add up the value, that is 32. Clear? C is given, that is 30 degree. 30 multiply by 9/5 and plus 32. So first we will cancellate it, and then we'll add 32. Now come for the exercise, that is 5E. The question number 1 is about fill in the blanks. You have to fill them by your own, because we have done it in it all in the previous pages, 2 pages, in the definition or introduction pages, and the true and false statements also we have covered them in the previous 2 pages, and multiple choice questions. Now come for the question number 4, that is convert the following Celsius scale to the Fahrenheit scale. Here Celsius scale is given, and we have to convert them into the scale Fahrenheit. So how to convert them? 20 degrees Celsius is given in question number 4 part A. So we have to convert it into Fahrenheit. So we will write the formula of Fahrenheit first. What is the formula of Fahrenheit? Degree Celsius multiply by 9/5 and then add 32. What is the amount of degree Celsius? That is 20 degrees Celsius. Degree Fahrenheit, 20 degree. 20 multiply by 9/5 plus 32. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20, 9 fours are 9 fours are 32. Now we will add 36 and 32, and then 6 plus 2 it is 8, 3 plus 3 it is 6. So what's the value? That is 68 for a degree Fahrenheit. How many 20 degrees centigrade on the scale of Fahrenheit? It is 68 degree Fahrenheit on the scale of Fahrenheit. Now if you want to convert Fahrenheit into the degree Celsius, so what will you do? In question number 5 part 1, 158 degree Fahrenheit, and if degree Fahrenheit is given and you have to convert it into the Celsius scale, so what will you do? You have to write the formula of degree Celsius first, that is degree Fahrenheit minus 32 multiply by 5/9. Now again, what's the value of Fahrenheit? It is 158 and minus 32 multiply by 5/9. 158 minus 32, 8 minus 2, 8 minus 2 it is 6, 5 minus 3 it is 2, and 126 multiply by 5/9. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, and 3 4s are 12. 14 remained over here. Multiply by 5. 5 4s are 70. What's the value on degree Celsius? It is 70. Clear? Now come for the question number 6. Convert these temperatures into other scale. It is given in Fahrenheit.